So we were solving exercise 14A of indefinite integration. Indefinite integration. Right. So let's see the question number 23. So it is I equal to integration of tan of x into dx divided by sec of x plus tan of x. Right. So we will rationalize here. Rationalize. Right. So it will become tan of x into sec of x minus tan of x divided by denominator will become sec square x minus tan square x, and as we know this is identity, so it is equal to 1. Right. Now numerator will become, now multiply this with this and this with this, so it will become tan of x into sec of x minus into dx integration of tan square x into dx. Right. So integration of this will be sec x minus, so it will become, so we will convert into identities, like as we know sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. Right. So it will become tan square x as sec square x minus 1. So put here sec square x minus 1 into dx. Right. So it is equal to sec x minus, so sec integration we know that is tan of x. Right. And minus minus will become plus, and integration of 1 is x plus of c. So this will be the answer for that. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now look at the question number 25. So 25 is integration of dx divided by under root of 1 plus root of x. Right. So put here under root of 1 plus root of x equal to t. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So it will become 1 plus root of x is equal to t square. Right. Now take this 1 on right hand side, then it will become root of x is equal to t square minus 1. Right. Again squaring both sides. Again squaring both sides. So what we get? So it will be x is equal to t square minus 1 whole square. Understood? Now differentiate this equation, then it will become x will be differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x, then x will become dx by dx, that will be equal to 1. Right. And this power will be coming out, so it will be 2 into t square minus 1 into 2 minus 1. Right. Again differentiation of t square minus 1 upon dx. Right. So it is equal to 1 equal to 2 into t square minus 1, this power will be reduced to 1, so it is 1 here. Again differentiate t square, so it will be 2t, right, into dt upon dx, and 1 will be 0. So your final answer will be 1 equal to 2 into t square minus 1 into 2t into dt. Right. And take this dx on left hand side, then it will become dx, so that we can put dx is equal to this term. Right. So now your question will reduce to what? I equal to dx is equal to 2 into t square minus 1 into 2t into dt divided by this is equal to t. Right. So this t and this t will get cancelled. So remaining is I equal to 2 into 2 is 4. Integration of 4 into t square minus 1 into dt. Now integrate separately after taking outside 4. So it will be t square into dt minus of integration dt. Right. So it is equal to 4 into. So this will be tq upon 3 minus of t plus of c. So this is the answer, final answer. Understood? If you want to put the value, then you can put in the terms of this value, right? In the next step. Understood? Now look at the question number 26. So it is I equal to integration of x dx divided by under root of x plus 5, right? So add plus 5 and subtract plus 5. Then it will be integration of x plus 5 minus of 5 whole dx divided by under root of x plus 5, right? Now divide separately, then it will become I equal to integration of x plus 5 whole power is 1 divided by this power is x plus 5 raised to 1 upon 2 into dx, right? Minus of integration 5 by x plus 5 raised to half into dx, right? Then it will become I equal to integration of x plus 5 raised to 1 minus of 1 upon 2 into dx minus of 5 integration. So take this one on numerator, then it will become x plus 5 raised to minus 1 upon 2 into dx, right? Now take the LCM, then it will be I equal to integration of x plus 5. LCM is here 2. So it will be 2 minus 1. That will be half into dx. Minus of 5 integration 1 plus x plus 5 into dx. Power is minus half. So integration we add power, right? As we know, x raised to n into dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into dx. Into, right? This is the value of that. So apply here. So it will be x plus 5 raised to 1 upon 2 plus 1 minus 5 integration. So here add the power. So x plus 5 raised to 1 upon 2 plus 1, right? So answer will be final x plus 5 raised to, here LCM will be 3 by 2 and here it is minus of 5 x plus 5. It will become 1 upon 2 plus c. So this will be the answer for that. Understood now?
कैसे आया?
See here, this one you are asking, right?
No,
So
sir, the
power is added
previous
now.
one.
This one,
नहीं, that side.
right hand side.
2 steps ऊपर.
Okay, this one. This one.
So left
Yep.
hand side.
Okay.
That step left hand side.
Okay.
Yeah, that step.
So you can see here, it is 1 here, right?
Yes.
Now I am taking this term on numerator. So its power is here plus. So when we will take on numerator, then it will become minus, right? Now take the LCM. So here it will become 2, right? 2 by 2. Then it will become now. So 2 minus half will be half plus half. Understood?
Okay. Yes.
And we have forgotten here to divide the power. So it will be 3 by 2. And here it is 1 upon 2. Right? Because formula is power is divided in denominator, right?
Yes.
So this will be the answer. Please write it down.
हाँ sir.
Now see the question number 28. It is I equal to integration of x square e x raised to 3 cos of e x raised to 3 into dx, right? So put here e x raised to 3 equal to t, right? So differentiate here. So it will be x raised to 3 and differentiation of x raised to 3 by dx is equal to dt by dx. So it will be x raised to 3 into, it will be 3x square equal to dt by dx. Now take dx on this left hand side, then it will become e x raised to 3 into 3x square into dx is equal to dt, right? So this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. So this is your 2 and this one is third. Put the value of second and third in the first. Then it will become integration I equal to. So instead of this, we can write what? Take 3 on the here on denominator. Then it will become dt by 3. It is dt by 3 cos of t, right? So take 1 upon 3 outside. So it is 1 upon 3. So your equation will become integration of dt upon 3 cos of t, right? So take 1 upon 3 outside. Then it will be cos of t into dt. So as we know the integration of cos. So cos we know formula is sine, right? So it will be sine of t. So put the value of t. So it is 1 upon 3 sine of e x raised to 3 plus c. So it is equal to I. So this will be the answer for that. Understood?